Guys, kasama natin ngayon si Maria Osawa dito sa Suplado Motors. Hello, Maria.
Hello!
Oh, I just want to ask you about your car.
Okay,
What are the cars that you're using right now?
right now I ride a Ford Everest.
Oh, do you drive it?
No, not anymore. I
Oh,
tried,
oh.
but it's too hard to drive here in the Philippines.
Okay. How many cars do you have?
As of now, I have one.
Oh, just the Ford Everest.
Ford Everest,
What,
yes.
what do you use when it's coding?
When it's coding, I'm trying to look for another second car.
Okay.
And I'm such a huge fan of Ford because in Japan, you can't ride Ford. We don't have diesel.
Oh, okay.
So I'm looking for something similar.
Okay. So you still want to use a Ford?
Yes, they're so handy.
Okay. Are you into EVs or hybrid?
EV, I want to try too because it's getting famous here in Japan. So I want to try it too.
So you want to try a hybrid vehicle from Ford?
I would love to. Yes.
Okay. There's a Ford Territory hybrid.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
Ah.
Please let me know.
So other car brands do you usually like to try?
Well, in Japan, I used to have a Toyota,
Okay.
but since it's so hard to ride the one that I like in Japan, here in the Philippines, diesel is so much and cheaper too.
Any dream cars that you would like to have?
Dream car. I love trucks actually, and like pickup trucks.
Pickup trucks?
Yes,
Okay.
I love those. And in Japan, my friend was riding a Cherokee before, and it was so cute and so compact. And I like those how do you say, like very built up cars, I guess. I don't know how to
Custom
say.
made?
Custom made,
Oh,
yes.
yeah. So what type of car is that?
Cherokee. It's a very famous brand in
Okay.
Japan, and it's like one of the cutest, the best trucks that you can drive.
Okay. So maybe I could show you some of the Ford vehicles in the future.
Yes,
Okay.
please. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Maria.
Bye bye.
Please